Alright, now let's demonstrate feather stitch. When we embroider the feather stitch, we can turn the embroidery hoop vertically. This makes it easier to operate. Then bring the needle down at the far right position. The needle points toward the center position. Then wrap the floss around from underneath the needle. Pull the floss. We have now completed the first stitch. The entry position of the second stitch is on the far left. The needle points toward the center. Similarly, we will wrap the floss around from underneath the needle. Then pull the floss. It will form a V shape. Adjust the tension of the floss slightly during the process. Continue to complete this line as per the previous operation. The last stitch is at its end. Bring the needle down in place for couching stitch. This completes the feather stitch. This is the effect after stitching.